Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech updates. Lumos Fiber offers a compelling alternative to traditional internet service providers. Their fiber optic network promises significantly faster download and upload speeds, eliminating the frustration of buffering and lag. This makes it ideal for households with multiple users streaming, gaming, and working from home simultaneously. Lumos Fiber's symmetrical speeds ensure a consistently smooth online experience, regardless of the activity. They're actively expanding their network to bring this high-speed connectivity to more communities. Checking their website for availability in your area is recommended as they continually update their service map. Beyond speed, Lumos Fiber emphasizes reliability. Their infrastructure is built to withstand interruptions, providing a more consistent connection than traditional cable or DSL. This reliability translates to uninterrupted productivity for those working remotely and seamless entertainment experiences for families. Furthermore, Lumos Fiber offers various service plans to accommodate different needs and budgets, ensuring there's an option for everyone. Exploring their website allows you to compare plans and choose the best fit for your household's internet usage. Customer service is also a priority for Lumos Fiber. They're committed to providing excellent support, ensuring a smooth transition for new customers and addressing any technical issues promptly. If you're looking for an upgrade to your current internet service, Lumos Fiber's fiber optic network deserves serious consideration. The potential for improved speed, reliability, and customer service makes it a worthwhile alternative to explore. Visit their website to learn more about their offerings, check availability, and experience the difference fiber optics can make. They frequently have promotional offers, so it's a good idea to check the website for any current deals that could save you money. Choosing the right internet provider is crucial in today's digital world, and Lumos Fiber aims to be a leading contender in providing a fast, reliable, and future-proof internet solution.